Night. My name is Diane Elise, and I'm here to join you for your wonderful celebration. How are you guys doing so far? Okay. Well, I know it took a long journey. It was quite a long trip to come here, but when I got here, and I'm sure all of you guys will agree with me, I realized that it was well worth the trip. And of course, it's only the beginning. So of course, greatest thanks goes to Lenovo and Intel for bringing us all the way over here and making this event possible. Let's give them a big round of applause. For tonight, after our awarding, everyone is to enjoy our music entertainment from Chillworks, which we've already heard a few songs from earlier. I hear that we've got quite a lot of jammers tonight. Hopefully, we'll be listening to you guys during our open mic segment later on. Meron ba dyan? Do you guys know anyone at your table who like to sing? Yeah, over there? Okay, you guys let me know kung sino para tatawagin ko mamaya. And to spice up the night even more, as you may or may not know, we have a talent portion, a talent competition tonight. That's right. Our friends here will be strutting their stuff and showing off their talents in Lenovo's Got Talent Challenge. So, to give them a little boost of confidence, why don't we give them a big round of applause? That takes a lot of courage. And of course, I do see a bar, so if you guys need a little more courage, you can go ahead and have some alcohol. To start off, Lenovo has always been grateful for the strong camaraderie that they have built with their partners. Their success would not be achieved without the effort and support of everyone here tonight. So to show their immense appreciation, we have lined up big awards to be given away. So let's call on our announcers. From the Key Accounts business, let's welcome Mr. Onil Malabanan, Channels Manager, and to give the awards, Ms. Vicky Agurila, Country General Manager, and Ms. Nanette Malvar, Relationship Segment Lead. Show some love! I love this colorful outfit that she has on. I feel very happy and inspired right now.